Hey guys, Jay here, welcome to Eon's Battle, and in this holiday episode I'm going to show you how to make Santa hats for your models. To make these Santa hats, all you need is some red and white baking clay and some Christmas cheer. I spread out some parchment paper to work on and unwrapped my clay. Now the clay is pretty sticky, so you want to wash your hands in between so you don't get any red on your white. Then I rolled out some white clay about 1/4 inch and used my hobby knife to cut out small cylinders that'll become my hat brims. I cut these out, rolled them between my fingers, and then squished them flat on the table. Then I rolled my white even thinner and cut out all the small pom-poms for the end of each Santa hat, rolling them into little balls between my fat fingers. Then I washed up and moved on to the red. I did the same thing, rolling a 1/4 inch strip and then cut out cylinders just a little bigger than before. With these little red bits, I rolled one end into a cone with my fingers and I pressed the big end onto the table to flatten it back out. I pressed the red onto the rim and bent the top down into the floppy part of the hat. And last but not least, I pressed the little white pom-pom. Now I cut out the parchment and moved them onto a cookie sheet and placed them in the oven. I cooked them for about 35 minutes at 270, but follow whatever instructions come with your clay. And while those are baking in the oven, let's bake on over to Patreon. We make wargaming tutorials each and every week, along with the occasional cute video like this, and if you like them, you could consider joining us over on Patreon. Over there you will get access to some behind the scenes and exclusive content as well. Now back to the festivities. After that, they were nice and hard. To get them to stick onto the minis' heads, I took a 1/4 inch drill bit, a 6mm for you foreigners, and I carefully drilled a hole into the bottom of each hat, making sure not to go too deep. Then I stretched out some poster tack and placed a small ball into each hole. These will provide the stick to keep these Santa hats on your festive minis. As you can see, these are very easy to make, and with the ingredients, you could outfit your entire army in Santa hats. They give you +1 to holiday cheer, and a -1 for all leadership roles. And they just look so darn cute. This video has been sponsored by Saint Nick and his handy Gretchen. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, happy holidays.